Hi Don, this is Dick Mariano down at Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz. I wanted to send you a little video of the GLA that you inquired about. This is the vehicle. Absolutely stunning combination. The dark blue with the beige interior. And as I mentioned, it has a 4,000 pound towing capacity. So this should work for you. It has the optional wheels on it. Really nice wheels, black with the satin finish on the edges of them. This is called Lunar Blue. Is the color, the beige interior. And as I mentioned, it's certified, so it's going to come with an extended warranty. All the nice equipment, powered tailgate. And of course this is 4MATIC, all-wheel drive. Fold down rear seats. Does have some very nice optional equipment. Give you. This is the keyless go system, which is push button. Has satellite radio into it. Power windows, power seats, power door locks, memory for your seat settings, power mirrors, automatic headlights. Adjustable steering wheel goes up or down or in or out. Lumbar support on the seat. And a completely automatic air conditioning and heating system. CD player still. And all automatic on the air conditioning, heated seats, panoramic sunroof. Really a very nicely equipped car. Has the little extension on the front seat so that if you have longer legs, give you a little bit more support. So I hope this helps you a little bit and works for your towing capacity. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you, Don. You have a great day. Bye-bye.